This is just one of a national fleet of Shine mobile body shop repair units. The technician driving it regularly has the work they undertake independently audited by the British Standards Institution, and they have been awarded both Body Shop Awards and IMI accreditation for the service they provide. They are also employed by Shine. They're not running their own business, so you can be confident that manufacturer-approved materials are being used, and Shine's own guidelines are being followed when repairing your vehicle. To ensure continuity of service wherever they go, all Shine's fleet are identical inside and out, and they all carry the same equipment and materials. The technician has everything on board needed to complete a repair: a power source, air, water, safety gear, mixing station and spray equipment. All you need to do is unlock your car for them. Any car colour can be matched. Around 48,000 variations using 95 paint tints, which are kept within insulated drawers to protect them from excessive temperature changes. A micromilliliter scale is used to ensure a perfectly matched mix every time. Everything needed to protect you and your property and the technician from fumes and paint spray can be found here. Around the other side of the vehicle are kept consumables and all the equipment needed to complete the repair. Importantly, any waste paint or liquids are stored here for recycling later. Our environmental responsibilities are covered by law, so we take them very seriously. Then begins the work on the repair itself, starting by preparing the area around the car to ensure it's safe to work and offers protection against the elements. Every part of the car and the surrounding area is protected. Then the technician confirms the paint code. They'll swatch check against the vehicle, and when confident a precise formula has been calculated, mix the paint. A repair is not started until a match has been found. The area to be repaired is carefully prepped before masking and painting. Finally, the surface is dried using infrared heat lamps before being polished, ensuring a completely invisible repair. The technician doesn't work in isolation, as they have the backup of Shine's fully trained staff at head office. They are friendly, experienced, and always on hand to help. Perhaps you have questions regarding the Shine service and how it works. Drop us an email and we'll come back to you with answers as soon as we can. Shine, we believe in what we do.